Hi, this is Kazuyo. In this lesson, you'll master how to create a T-bottom tote bag with flat handles. You'll learn how to adjust fold angles to create clean, inside-out seam finishes and refine them based on the seam's location. We'll shape the bag by hanging it on the avatar's shoulder or letting it rest on the table, depending on the look you want. Let's get started. Use the free sewing tool to create sewing lines. Connect the internal lines of the handle to the corresponding internal line on the body. This creates enough space to prevent the handle from sinking into the avatar during simulation. Apply strengthen to all patterns, activate simulation, and adjust handle position during simulation if necessary. Select the sewing line with the Edit Sewing tool. You can adjust the fold angle between 0 to 360 degrees. Start simulation. Select the shoulder avatar and move it down using the gizmo. Keep particular distance at 20 to allow smooth body shaping. Continue simulation and lower the avatar. Let the bag bottom touch the table and flatten naturally. After shaping, lower the particular distance to 5 for better final quality.